Cultural dance, please start coming up. I can see our mommy, Honorable Dr. Bishop Comfort, leading them. Fellow Biafrans, I want to announce to us that our people have come to do what they know how to do best. I want us to relax and watch them. The different tribes from our country, our nation, new nation, Biafra land, they have come to show their display. They are what they know how to do best. So please, you watch out the different tribes we have in the Biafra land. You will see the flavor, the glory of our culture. So let us sit tight, relax, and watch them display what they know how to do best. Honorable Bishop Dr. Comfort, we direct, we call out them one by one, the different tribes, to come and perform. Bishop Dr. Comfort, over to you.
Thank you so much. And yesterday, I want to thank the brigade and the members and the elders. I forgot to do it yesterday. Sorry, I forgot to do it yesterday. Please. I hope I'm making sense over there. Okay. We have put. Yeah, girl. That one. We have put, because we have 41 states and we have different states and different languages. What I've tried to do is to pick some of the cultural places, and they're going to dance according to their culture, because we have different cultures, and it is the heart desire of Simon Epa that whatever you do, you should not do it Igbo. It has to be cultural, everybody. So the first dance we're going to have is the Efik dance by Wada Grace. Oh, this one. After that, Ibibio will come on. Only Efik. Cultural dance led by Wada, Mary, and Emma. First of all, Wada will come first, and then Emma will follow. Igbo cultural dance.
No, that is how the DJ says it now. That's how it is.
Okay, let's see that.
They have about
Only one.
only two.
And they're 2 minutes.
Igbo Attila.
No. And while we have Igbo cultural, I hope they are ready.
Yes.
Because we are finishing here at 5 o'clock. Okay, DJ, over to you. But this time, please, let us appreciate the preparation and the energy for this wonderful performance. Everybody, we need a Gemma. That's our culture. Happy Independence Day! Your It's all different cultures. That is what Biafra is all about. Itoko, Urobisako.
I'm grateful, Lord. Yeah.
people. Anyone who wants to join the cultural group, we have a secretary, we have a deputy, and you can join. After the interview, you because that one is Sabo in Biafra land.